Thirsty for change, you are not alone. In today's fast-paced world, many of us are seeking ways to improve our health and well-being. Whether it's through diet, exercise, or lifestyle choices, the quest for a healthier life is more prevalent than ever. We're living in a world obsessed with wellness. From early morning yoga sessions in the park to evening jogs along scenic routes, people are making conscious efforts to stay fit and healthy. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Yoga pants are the new black, and kale is the Beyoncé of vegetables. The rise of superfoods and health-conscious fashion trends is a testament to our collective desire for a better lifestyle. Fresh vegetables, organic produce, and nutrient-rich foods are becoming staples in our diets. But what about what we drink? While we've been focusing on what we eat and how we move, our beverages have also undergone a significant transformation. The drinks we choose can have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. Turns out our beverages are getting a healthy makeover too. From vibrant mocktails to nutrient-packed smoothies, the options are endless. These drinks are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support our health. Gone are the days of sugary sodas ruling the world. With growing awareness about the negative effects of excessive sugar consumption, many people are ditching traditional sodas in favor of healthier alternatives. It's a shift that's not only good for our bodies, but also for our minds. Say hello to functional beverages and mocktails, the cool kids on the block. These drinks are designed to do more than just quench your thirst. They offer functional benefits such as boosting your immune system, enhancing your energy levels, and even improving your mood. They're packed with good stuff, taste amazing, and won't leave you with a sugar crash or a hangover for that matter. Imagine enjoying a delicious drink that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also supports your health goals. It's a win-win situation. Ready to ditch the sugary drinks and embrace a healthier, tastier future? Let's dive in. Join us as we explore the exciting world of functional beverages and mocktails. Discover new flavors, learn about their benefits, and find out how you can make these healthy drinks a part of your daily routine. The future of beverages is here, and it's healthier and tastier than ever before. Cheers to a new era of drinking well. Share and follow for more healthy tips. Remember when energy drink meant something neon green that made you jittery? Those were the days when we thought a quick energy boost was all we needed to get through the day. But let's be honest, the crash that followed was never fun. The jitteriness, the sudden drop in energy levels, and the overall feeling of unease were just not worth it. Yeah, those days are fading faster than your tan lines. Just like how our preferences have evolved, so have our choices in beverages. We no longer settle for just any drink that promises a quick fix. We want more, and we deserve more. We want drinks that not only energize us, but also contribute to our overall well-being. Functional beverages are here to save the day and your health. These drinks are packed with ingredients that offer real benefits, from probiotics in kombucha that aid digestion to adaptogens that help your body manage stress. It's like having a health boost in every sip. These drinks are like the superheroes of the beverage aisle. With their vibrant packaging and promises of enhanced health, they stand out and make you feel like you're making a smart choice. It's not just about the aesthetics, it's about what they deliver. They're not just about quenching your thirst. They're here to help you conquer your day. Whether you're at work, hitting the gym, or just trying to get through a busy day, these drinks provide the support you need. They offer sustained energy without the crash, helping you stay focused and productive. Think improved focus, boosted immunity, and even a little help with stress. Imagine starting your day with a drink that not only wakes you up, but also prepares your body to handle whatever comes your way. From antioxidants to vitamins, these beverages are formulated to support your health in multiple ways. We're all about getting the most out of life, right? Functional drinks get that. They understand that we want to enjoy our lives to the fullest, and they provide the tools to do just that. Whether you're hiking, biking, or just hanging out with friends, these drinks enhance your experience. They're like the cheat code to a healthier, happier you. It's like having a secret weapon in your daily routine. With every sip, you're not just hydrating, you're nourishing your body and mind. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. And who wouldn't want that? In a world where we're constantly looking for ways to improve our health and well-being, functional drinks offer a simple yet effective solution. So next time you're in the beverage aisle, skip the neon green and reach for something that truly benefits you. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. So, what exactly are these magical elixirs? Let's break it down. First up, we've got kombucha, the fizzy fermented drink that's taking the world by storm. Kombucha is made by fermenting sweetened tea with a culture of bacteria and yeast known as a SCOBY. This process not only gives it that signature tangy flavor, but also packs it with probiotics, which are great for your gut health. It's like the love child of tea and a science experiment, but in a good way. The fermentation process can be fascinating to watch as the SCOBY works its magic, transforming the tea into a bubbly, effervescent drink. Plus, you can experiment with different flavors by adding fruits, herbs, or spices during the second fermentation. Then there are adaptogen drinks brewed with herbs and mushrooms that help your body deal with stress. Because adulting is hard, okay? Adaptogens are natural substances that help the body adapt to stress and exert a normalizing effect upon bodily processes. These drinks often include ingredients like ashwagandha, reishi mushrooms, and holy basil, which have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. And don't forget protein-infused drinks, perfect for that post-workout boost or a quick and healthy snack on the go. These drinks are designed to help repair and build muscle tissue after exercise, making them a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. They come in a variety of flavors and formulations, from whey protein to plant-based options like pea or hemp protein. Whether you're a kombucha convert or a matcha maniac, there's a functional drink out there with your name on it. Go on, get adventurous! The world of functional beverages is vast and varied, offering something for everyone. From energy-boosting drinks to those that promote relaxation, there's a drink to suit every need and preference. So why not step out of your comfort zone and try something new? You might just find your next favorite drink. Cheers to your health and happiness. Now, let's talk mocktails. These aren't your grandma's Shirley Temples. No offense, Grandma. Mocktails are all about sophisticated flavors and Instagram-worthy presentations. Think muddled herbs, exotic fruits, and fancy syrups that'll make you feel like you're sipping on something special without the headache in the morning. They're perfect for those nights when you want to enjoy the party atmosphere without the boozy after effects. Plus, mocktails are inclusive. Pregnant? Driving? Just not feeling the alcohol? Mocktails don't discriminate. Section 5. From spicy mango to lavender bliss, mocktails for every mood. The best part about mocktails, the possibilities are endless. Feeling adventurous? Try a spicy mango margarita with a chili rim. Need to unwind after a long day? A lavender chamomile spritzer will have you feeling zen in no time. You can even get creative and invent your own concoctions. The only limit is your imagination and maybe the ingredients in your fridge. Section 6. Mocktails, the superhero of social gatherings. Mocktails are also the life of the party. They add a touch of sophistication and fun to any gathering without anyone feeling left out. Plus, they're a great way to impress your friends with your mixology skills, even if you're just muddling some berries in a glass. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good photo op? Mocktails are basically begging to be Instagrammed with their vibrant colors and fancy garnishes. Section 7. Health-conscious generations and the rise of the mocktail movement. But it's not just about the gram. The rise of mocktails goes hand in hand with a growing global focus on health and wellness. Younger generations are more health-conscious than ever, and they're ditching the booze in favor of tastier, healthier alternatives. And let's be honest, who needs a hangover when you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day? Section 8. Functional sips and sober fun, a glimpse into the future. So what does the future hold for functional drinks and mocktails? One thing's for sure, they're here to stay. As we become more aware of what we put into our bodies, these healthy and delicious alternatives are only going to grow in popularity. Imagine a world where you can grab a kombucha on tap at your local pub or order a turmeric latte with your mates. The future of beverages is bright, flavorful, and good for you. Section 9. Cheers to a healthier tomorrow. So next time you're reaching for a drink, skip the sugary soda and grab a functional beverage or whip up a delicious mocktail. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Cheers to a future of tasty sips and healthy choices.